Silence from the audience, please. Thank you so much. Alright, what is up, guys? So today we have another install video. We were working on my buddy's 370Z. We're gonna be doing some AEROFLOW dynamic side skirts. Let's go. He's gonna be looking fresh today. He's also got this giant wing, so we're gonna make this thing the most hated Z on the internet. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing started. First thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off your mud flaps. There's one, what do you call it, like a push pin thing, right?
I guess that's what you can call it.
Yeah, under your mud flap here, and then you have two screws, Phillips head, you're gonna take off. You're doing such a good job. And it just falls off like that.
Start drilling in.
Full send?
Full send.
Well, should we put these on? Should we put the stickers on first?
No, it's last. Dude, that's how you finish it off. Look at, did you know anything about cars?
Let's figure out. Okay, so this goes all the way right here. Does that fit everywhere else?
No, it's way too far up over here.
It's not, well, it's supposed to be that much space, because you have like
You gotta go back.
an inch or
Well, the
two.
issue is you should come look over here and see what I'm talking about.
Ivan, what are you showing over here?
Right here.
See, that looks flush. You need to make the front, see,
like
personally,
right
let me make it brighter.
that's the hole, and that's where it should,
How far should I have it come out?
as far as you want.
I think that the front should be flush for sure. And then make that a priority, because then that looks fine. I don't think that's...
So then we need to do the front first.
I would say so.
Ivan?
Question is, I don't know exactly how far
Do,
I want to go in.
just until it stops, right?
Well, we want to. Okay, so try to line it up with the where it. You see how it kind of like.
This is our first time doing this, so give us a sec. I'm gonna figure this out, because this boy doesn't know what he's doing. And neither does this dude. Figure this shit out.
Like, I'm gonna have to go full send
Yeah.
with every single hole, right?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Unless you want to take time to line it up and measure
It's hard
it.
to, like, at least at the angle that I'm at, hold the screw and then hold it in.
Well,
know?
you need some help, Mr. Hot Boy? And you lost the screw.
Lost my screw.
I'd say put down the camera and just. We'll help him hold the first part.
Yeah. Hold on, Ivan. I got you.
I'm ready to go full send.
Full sign.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. There we go. We're in.
We're in?
We're in, boys.
We're in, boys! Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
This isn't gonna be flush.
We need to figure this thing out first. Hold on.
I'm too deep. What do you mean there's...
Is there no turning back?
Nah, dude, that's fine. Oh.
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 That's taking way too far. Can you not put this back?
No, because it's stuck by a piece. That's what I'm telling you. There's a piece right here that's. Unless I cut it off. Knife? Do you have a knife?
Yeah, Ivan's got a knife.
Yeah, I got that knife. What's good?
Knife gang.
Yeet.
Oh, shit. Right in his...
Right into your hand.
Right in his hand. Dude.
You gotta watch out.
You're retarded, dude. Ivan, how many likes do you think this video should get?
Like, at least 5,000.
5,000 likes, and what?
least.
What happens if I get 5,000?
You get like 5,000 likes,
You give away a 350.
I give away a 350.
we're gonna give away this 370.
Oh, 370. We're gonna give this shit away if I get 5,000 likes. Let's do it, boys. Come on. Ivan said
I
so.
trust.
We're doing 5,000
I
likes.
trust. The most hated Z.
Most
Going
hated
up.
Z.
That big Wang gang.
What do you think? Should I go for my Z? My baby right there? Ooh, she looking sexy.
That works some more.
That's better? That's good?
Are you good, brother?
Are you flush?
I'm flush.
Oh, hey. Damn, boy.
Like that shit. I could probably go up.
Look at this. Look at this angle. Oh. Oh.
Then let's
Max
get this one.
AEROFLOW.
Come over here.
That's all you, bro.
Okay, well, you gotta hold it then.
I got this one. I got it. Look at your boy helping out. Those stickers are gonna make it pop. You gotta put stickers on it. Oh, can you drive automatic?
Damn, that shit looks.
Ooh. Oh, automatic, bitch. Can you see that? Shit. Oh, automatic.
I don't know. I was never taught to drive automatic.
Yeah, man. I don't know.
That shit kind of looks clean.
Is this it? That's it? That's all.
And then the one more he's gotta do.
Okay, we got one more on that.
Can't get to that one. Jack is in the way. That won't
The jack isn't in the way.
That is.
The jack is in the way.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Look at that.
I could probably.
That's pretty. I mean,
you honestly don't even. You probably don't even need that one.
They're all.
Now you need a front splitter and some canards.
dude,
Okay, the issue like this.
in a rear
Where the hell do I
diffuser.
put canards? Right?
Hey, a rear diffuser, bro.
Like over my fog lights?
No, in front of your fog lights. Right here. Two
I'll take a look
canards.
here in just a second.
No, you can put canards right. Wait.
Unless you get that front splitter that goes like this, you get some canards here.
Yeah, I would say up here.
Most
Up
splitters
here.
are made for the 350, which is the issue.
No, you can get splitters for this car, bro. Come on. Easy. You can get ones that canards that can come right up here. I think that would go right with the body line. Oh, just rip out what we just did.
Like, it's really subtle, but it's also really out there.
You can't really see it right here, but it is. You're right. It is very subtle. And as soon as it comes out on the side, it's just like that looks. It doesn't go out as wide. It actually doesn't look too bad. Alright, guys. So now on the other side, we're gonna just repeat the same process. Move out of my way. It's pretty simple. Just some top-in screws, line it up correctly, and that's basically done.
You're done there, bro.
And overall, honestly, I think it looks pretty clean.
I like it.
Yeah. Like Ivan said, it's subtle but clean. The best part of the whole process. Can he do it? Make sure you get a sponsorship by aerodynamics.
Oh shit.
Well.
Dude, okay, put it back on.
Well.
Yeah, put it back on. We can still save it. Well, my first thought about this is they did not put this on.
It's a cheap sticker.
It is a cheap sticker. I paid for a cheap part.
It's not sticky enough.
I paid for a cheap part.
I had it!
Better luck next time.
You can just leave it like that, honestly.
Do you even want this side now?
We'll just do the other side.
I think it's
No, just leave it.
Yes. So, what are we doing here, Evan?
We're gonna put on this sick decal, bro. The first go is going in. I don't care. Thomas, do you have my permission to go for it?
Go for it. We'll start with one side.
It's all good. Oh! Rub me.
See, that
looks clean.
Oh, that is so clean from far away. Dude, that stands out. It just pops. Give me a little, give me a little kissy. Give me a little kiss. Yeah.
A little bit of sauce.
Is everything clear?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Give me a little kiss. Come on.
They look good?
Dude, it looks sick. Damn. That sounds so good.
So good.
Alright guys, that's gonna end it here for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a fat thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button right now. It really helps me out. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
And if you come, stop it.